Is this on? Yeah, okay. Hi. I definitely don't know how to start this video. Yep, I am moving. Again. Yes, you might be noticing that I'm talking in a very myself. I'll address that later. But meanwhile, let's do a tour. Let me go down because this apartment starts on the first floor. This is the entry, and now I'm gonna give you my point of view. When you enter, you go upstairs. Here we have the boiler room, garage, and then a big closet. So I really like this because it's like a landing zone for when you get inside the apartment. Now, going upstairs, it's like this, a little window right there. Go up, up, up. First thing you're gonna see, it's another closet, big closet, love storage. And then this is the living area, living room, comedor, la cocina, por supuesto, a little alacena, just, you know, pantry, and then just the usual view, a little patio over there, fireplace, and then we come this way and we have laundry, you see, and then it's a 2-bedroom apartment, so this is gonna be Alana's room. Big closet. I'm amazed at how big this closet is, like huge, huge. It's just a 1 full bathroom and a quarter, which is that sink. That's gonna be basically in the other room, which is this one. This is my bedroom right here. But love it, it's big. And then right here, and then this is my bedroom, which you enter this way. It's a little like maze, pequeño laberinto aquí, eh? There's a little linen closet here, and then big window, my bedroom, and then kind of like a big closet, honestly. Let me give you some perspective of how big this closet is. Like, oh my gosh, this is amazing. And then, yeah, that's basically it. It's kind of big for the two of us. But, I mean, I like it. The whole setup and the whole layout of the apartment, it's real nice. I like it that it has a lot more natural light than our previous apartment. I felt like I had to have all the lights on all the time just because everything was so dark. Let me just do this. Yes, kitchen is a little smaller, but you're like cricket. It's pretty good. Yeah, so let's address the elephant in the room. Actually, many of you, I think that if you follow me on Instagram, ya tienen como que la idea. You have been asking about it. You've been like, you know, you gotta figure it out on your own. Como que se imaginan. But Brooks and I got separated a few months ago. We're gonna get a divorce. So that's why I guess I've been, I don't know, not fully myself in the past few months. And not only that, but I haven't been able to be or to show my whole life, just because I've been keeping that part of my life, not secret, but to myself, just in a way to kind of see what would happen and how things went. I am not gonna address why what happened or like the circumstances of why everything happened, but just that it was the best decision that we could come to. Yes, the best decision. Brooks and I agreed that it was the best decision for our mental health, for Alana's mental health. We want what's best for her, and at this moment we feel like us separation, getting a divorce, and the whole thing is the best. I don't know, things between us are doing a lot better. We were not doing very good for the past few years, and Anyway, so yeah, that's why I am moving. I feel so awkward talking about this on video to the camera, to a bunch of people that know me, that don't know me, that think they know me. But I just felt like I needed to say something, just because many of you had me on my DMs being like, hey, where's your husband? And why haven't I seen him anymore? Where is Alana? Because, you know, with the whole separation also comes when Alana is not with me a few days. She's with her dad. I have her on other days. I don't know. I did not come with a script to this video. I just felt like I was gonna say what I felt I needed to say, and my camera is gonna die. So I gave you a little bit of the rundown on what happened, why I'm moving, and please know I'm good, we are good, and just trying to move forward with the whole situation. I don't know what else to say. Just wanted to actually be able to be honest and be more open about my situation, because for the past few months I haven't been able to be myself on social media. I feel like sometimes I will say something that will give away what was happening with me, and I just didn't want to just say anything yet. But I felt like this move was gonna be like the perfect time to say it all, be honest, and I feel so nervous right now. I don't know why, but yeah, so I'm gonna start moving today, and I've got 3 days to move, and yeah, it's basically a new chapter. Okay, I think that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you have a beautiful